Hello, this is Alexander Cross, Criminal Defense here in the San Francisco Bay Area. If you'd like to learn more about criminal defense, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Law Offices of Cross and Associates, and feel free to ask questions in the comment section below so that we may respond in the future with more videos for you. So we received an interesting inquiry here on our YouTube channel. This has to do with something called virtual harassment. Okay, let's see here. My son was writing with someone or typing with someone on his computer until one night the police arrived at my house and they arrested him for harassment and having cyber sex with a 16-year-old girl. Cyber sex. Well, yeah, there are two potential charges I'm thinking about right here. One of them is Penal Code Section 311, which is sending somebody lewd material, somebody who is under the age of 18, or if you send pornography, or this also applies if you send somebody child porn, but you're not supposed to send any kind of lewd material to somebody who's under the age of 18. This is a felony that carries up to 3 years state prison, plus having to register as a sex offender for life. The other charge, and this is very common with sexting, is a violation of Penal Code Section 288.2, which is when you're sending somebody lewd or exhibiting lewd material to somebody. You're, sending them sexually suggestive texts that you're going to do something to them, something sexual to them. Even if they're responding to you, you're not supposed to do that because they are under the age of 18. Like I said before, these charges not only carry up to 3 years state prison, but it's having to register as a sex offender for life. And those of you who don't know how serious having to register as a sex offender for life is, it's extremely serious, because when you have to register as a sex offender for life, every day on your birthday you have to give your prints and your picture, and all of your info shows up on meganslaw.ca.gov. And also it's extremely difficult to find insurance, housing, getting a job. When it comes to getting housing in particular, it's really difficult because you cannot live near schools, near parks. It's extremely difficult to get an apartment in a building, so usually you have to rent out a house in an isolated area, or a room in a house in an isolated area. Quite frankly, sometimes it's better to have to serve extra time in custody than having to register as a sex offender. Regardless, if you'd like to learn more about criminal defense here in the San Francisco Bay Area, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Law Offices of Cross and Associates, and feel free to ask questions in the comment section below so that we can respond in the future with more videos for you. But if you've been accused of a crime here in the San Francisco Bay Area and need representation, give us a call for a free consultation at 1-800-862-7677. Once again, 1-800-862-7677. On our next video, we're going to be discussing the case of somebody who was making threats in a relationship. Criminal lawyer, criminal lawyers, DUI lawyer, DUI lawyers, criminal attorney, criminal attorneys, DUI attorney, DUI attorneys.